friends, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities, offer, and room category, and facilities also. The honest hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and reviews on that are giving guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. This hotel is prior to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is outstanding. The surrounding categories of rooms are available and enjoy your stay. These are online for this hotel along with various points and payment policies. Share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel